I'm sick in this lonely. I'm sick in this lonely. Ain't no one like this. I'm sick in this lonely. There's no one cry for me. Ain't no one cry for me. I've been waiting so long, can't see. Ain't no one cry for me. I'm sick and it's lonely.
The Round Barn in Arcadia, Oklahoma on Route 66. How cool is this?
There's no one cry for me.
Love these windows. Open up. Let's see the farmland. Yeah, very cool.
Lay down my old guitar. I'm gonna lay down my old guitar. Wish I could tie it to my side. Take it along.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I had a fabulous time.
Thank you.
Your hospitality has just set a new bar. Yeah. See you on down the road.
Anytime.
Cool cats. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. So I'm here with Andy, and we are riding together. We are riding out of Arcadia.
Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
Yeah. It's like a handoff here. We're leaving Leroy and Pat, and now I'm with Andy. He's gonna ride with me out of town. Who knows how far? Absolutely gorgeous day out here. Could not ask for nicer cycling weather. So we're getting on Route 66. We're leaving Arcadia, and we're headed to Stroud today. Look at this smooth, clean road we have. Ah, fantastic. And I got Andy just behind me. Yeah. Having a great time out here. Yeah, just cruising on this smooth road. 18, 19 miles an hour. We're here at where Andy and I are going to part. We've done 25 miles together down Route 66. And
This is the Dream Machine.
Dream Machine.
Yes.
Oh, tour
We've just
easy.
been
Cruising along.
I mean,
It's been awesome out here. Just
beautiful.
awesome. And
the drivers are so kind.
so nice. So nice. And Andy took care of Myrtle. She is purring.
She's precious, come on.
Oh, man.
I mean, this is your horse.
Right? So fantastic. Thank you, Andy. You've been awesome. Really great to meet you, and hopefully I'll see you down the road.
Oh, you know.
Yeah. Welcome to Davenport. Arbuckle Mountain fried pies. Coming to the little town of Stroud. This is my destination for the day. 1892. And off to the left here, kind of looks like a oil field equipment graveyard, junkyard. Very colorful. Yeah, not much further for today's ride. All right, we are in Stroud at the Skyliner Motel. Look at this. Look at this. Ah, they've got some pride here, don't they? Right here? Fantastic, fantastic.
You can pull right in here.
Isn't that great?
You parking.
I know, is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my God. Electric?
Yes, yes.
Electric bike.
Isn't it best? It's the best. Oh my gosh, so this just sort of showed up at the hotel today. And then pretty remarkable. Pretty remarkable. You never know what's going to show up at the Skyliner in Stroud, Oklahoma. Myrtle is parked in front of my motel room, and she just will not fit in the room. They gave me a motion lock, which I have tested, so I know it works and I know how to turn it off if the alarm goes off. And I also have my own lock on it, so not ideal, but I think it's going to be okay. Hotel room is very old, $65 a night. The people that run this hotel are just so nice, super sweet. And yeah, it's pretty old. And today's ride was just fantastic. I think the temperatures got into the 60s, bright blue skies, lots of sunshine, no wind. I could have been riding in shorts. Today, the day started, I was staying with Pat and Leroy in Oklahoma City. They hosted me for 3 nights. Just such nice, generous people. They took me out for breakfast at Pops. We were there with Andy, who is a mechanic at Pro Bike. He had taken Myrtle overnight, and I had made a real mess of an adjustment to the disc brakes, and he fixed that and got her purring. And then Andy and I rode for 25 miles from the Round Barn on Route 66 on this just absolutely gorgeous day. I did 41 miles and 1,600 feet of climbing. You know, it was really the kind of road that if you have a fared long wheelbase recumbent like a Tour Easy or a Gold Rush, you would hardly have had to pedal. You would go down and then just coast back up to the top of the next hill. Just a really wonderful ride. I did check to see if there was a place I could camp. Of all the weird things, it turned out to be a pawn shop that had just a few RV sites, and they don't allow tent camping, and it didn't really look very safe. and overnight temperatures are still in the 30s, which is for me just too cold to camp. So I'm hopeful that temperatures will start to warm up as I continue. And I also really want to give a big shout out to everybody who is following, supporting, all your enthusiasm and your comments. My gosh, it has been so much fun for me to read everything. And I am very, very appreciative of everybody that is following along. People are donating, they're buying Myrtle's merch, they're joining my Patreon account. And it's just a lot, just so much fun for me. So, all right, you guys, thanks for following along and welcome to Stroud, Oklahoma.